My dear students, I am Lakhinder Kumar Singh, going to teach you the second chapter of the supplementary reader, The Adventures of Toto. Theme of the story: we must love animals. It is better to keep them as pet animals in our homes, but there are some animals like monkeys cannot be kept in our homes as pet animals. Every animal needs our love and compassion. Main points of the story: the narrator's grandfather was fond of animals and he had a private zoo. He bought a baby animal from a Tonga driver in 5 rupees and named it Toto. The narrator's grandmother did not like his pets, so Toto's presence was kept a secret. Toto was very naughty and disturbing. बहुत शरारती था, बराबर दूसरे को तंग करता था. He disturbed the other animals and tore off the author's blazer. Once he was to accompany grandfather to Saharanpur in a canvas kit bag. He poked his head out from the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Grandfather had to pay 3 rupees to the railway ticket collector. Toto was finally accepted in the home. He was given a comfortable home in a stable. He kept troubling Nana, the family donkey, in the stable. Once he nearly boiled himself alive. He always enjoyed warm water bath in cold winter evening. Toto did not give up his mischiefs. वो अपनी शरारत छोड़ता नहीं था. He damaged many things. कई चीज़ों को नुकसान पहुंचाता था. He broke plates and utensils. प्लेट और बर्तनों को तोड़ता था. The members of the family found it difficult to adjust with him. परिवार के अन्य सदस्यों को उसके साथ तालमेल बिठाने में बहुत समस्या होती थी. Toto caused much loss to the family. परिवार के लिए बहुत नुकसान का कारण बनता था. They could not tolerate him anymore. अब वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसका जो है नुकसान को सहन नहीं कर सकते थे. Finally, grandfather handed over him back to the Tonga driver for 3 rupees only. अंततः दादाजी उसको टंगा ड्राइवर को 3 रुपए में वापस बेच दिया. प्यारे भैया बहनों, निश्चित रूप से यह पाठ आप समझे होंगे और यदि समझ में कम आया हो तो आपसे अपेक्षा की जाती है कि आप चैप्टर को बार बार पढ़ें. यदि किसी प्रकार की समस्या हो तो आप उसके लिए समाधान के लिए संपर्क कर सकते हैं. इस पाठ से संबंधित कुछ क्वेश्चन है. आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. हाउ डज टोटो कम टू द ग्रैंडफादर्स प्राइवेट जू? Second question is, how did Toto take his bath? Third question is, why was Toto's presence kept a secret? Fourth question is, why was Toto an expensive deal for grandfather? And the fifth question is, what did Toto do to invite the wrath माने गुस्सा of ticket collector? भैया बहनों, निश्चित रूप से इन सारे प्रश्नों का उत्तर आप होमवर्क कॉपी में करेंगे. जब विद्यालय प्रारंभ होगा तब आपकी इन होमवर्क की कॉपी चेक की जाएगी और उससे आपको अंक भी प्राप्त होंगे. धन्यवाद.